Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into front-end web development, the art and science of building the user interfaces and digital experiences that people see and interact with right in their web browsers. A great front end is essential because it makes websites visually appealing, intuitive to navigate, and fully accessible across every device, serving as the ultimate bridge between underlying software and user satisfaction. At the foundation of front-end development are three core technologies: HTML, which provides the structural backbone of web content; CSS, which defines the visual style, layout, and aesthetic appearance; and JavaScript, which powers the dynamic behavior and interactive elements that bring web pages to life. Beyond these core building blocks, modern developers rely on powerful, essential tools and libraries to streamline their workflow, including React for building modular user interfaces, Tailwind CSS for rapid utility-first styling, Vite as a fast build tool and dev server, and Figma to design intuitive UI/UX mockups before writing code. To craft world-class web applications, developers utilize a comprehensive toolkit centered on key engineering principles. They build responsive layouts that function seamlessly across all screen sizes, prioritize web accessibility so products are usable by everyone, optimize performance for lightning-fast speeds, and ensure cross-browser compatibility. By writing clean, maintainable code and committing to continuous learning in a fast-evolving industry, front-end developers turn abstract ideas into functional interfaces that connect businesses with users and shape how millions of people experience the web every day. If you found this breakdown of front-end web development helpful and want to master more coding and web design concepts, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below on what tech topic we should cover next.